Welcome back, dear students. Start with the today's topic, like the genetic code, tRNA structure, and uh, verbal hypothesis. So, what is genetic code? As no everyone knows, DNA acts as a genetic material encode all the information required by the code encode a protein, specifically encode protein which is encoded by gene. Around 30,000 genes present in a human, which then translated into protein. Transcription genetic information flows from DNA to messenger RNA information, further used by translational machinery for protein synthesis, and this flow is known as central dogma of molecular biology. And the ribosome are responsible to accomplish the process of translation, and they link to amino acid in messenger RNA specified order and using tRNA or anticodon which is present in tRNA molecule to carry particular amino acid to read the messenger RNA 3 nucleotide at a time. That means a single amino acid added at a time, and the four-letter language is translated to 20-letter language during the protein synthesis or translation. A key point of genetic code is it is universal in nature. So what that means, that nearly it's present in same in human, E. coli, plants, amphibians, and same in all, or exceptions of few minor variations in mitochondria, some bacteria, and some single cell eukaryotes. So, what is genetic code? Genetic code is a particular sequence of nucleotide linked together to form a particular polypeptide chain or protein. So, as you can see in this genetic code table, this is first letter UCAG and same UCAG, second letter and third letter UCAG. So this 64 codons made up by this combination, if we take this first letter U, so let's take a combination. If we take this U, as you can see, and this U in second row, and then this U in third, C second codon, A for third, and G for fourth codon. So these combination make 4 different codon for particular amino acids. So UU code for phenylalanine and UUC also code for phenylalanine. All 64 codes. There are 64 codons, out of which 3 are known as stop codon, UGA, AGA and AGG, while 61 codon mainly codes particular amino acids. Let's talk about the salient feature of these genetic codes. So, properties of genetic code. As genetic code are triplet code, the codons are developed by using a base available and information. The codon designed by scientists, they perform various experiments, and there is a strong evidence which proves that a sequence of 3 nucleotide codes for an amino acid in a protein, and this code is known as triplet. The 4 bases of nucleotide, that is A, G, C, U, are used to produce 3 base codons, and there are 64 codons for 20 amino acids. Since every codon for one amino acid means there is it more than one code for same amino acid. Single codon always code for a particular amino acid. Commaless code, no room for punctuation, or there is no comma between two codons. As you can see in this diagram, CAT code for histidine amino acid while GAT code for aspartic acid, but there is no overlapping or no comma or no nucleotide between these two codons. So after coding one amino acid, this frame shift to next genetic code. So non-overlapping code, the code is read sequentially in a group of 3, and nucleotide which become a part of triplet never become a part of next triplet. As you can see, AUG always code for methionine. In all over genome where AUG present, it code for methionine. So after reading AUG frame shift, after reading one codon, reading frame shift to forward to next codon. Polarity. The genetic code has polarity. That means it always read in a fixed direction, that is 5' to 3' direction. So degenerate code, every amino acid except UGG, which code for tryptophan, and AUG, which code for methionine, is coded by single codon, and other 18 amino acid coded by various codon. That means a few codons are synonymous, and this aspect is known as degeneracy of genetics. Example: leucine, serine, and adenine is coded by 6 different codons. So start and stop codon. Generally, AUG codon is initiating or known as a start codon for in translation in prokaryotes in the form of formal methionine, and in eukaryotes in the form of methionine. On the other hand, there are 3 stop codons, which is also known as termination codon: UAG, UAN, UA. UGA. These are not read by any tRNA molecule, and they never code for any amino acids. Non-ambiguous and universal nature of genetic code. A particular codon always code for the same amino acid. Means if AUG present, it always code for amino acid methionine. It's never code for other amino acid like proline or leucine. While the same amino acid can be coded by more than one codon. Example: isoleucine is coded by 3 different codons. Universality of code means that the same sequence of 3 bases encode the same amino acid in all form of life, from prokaryotes to eukaryote single cell organism to multicellular organism like human, exception mitochondrial genome, some bacteria, and single celled eukaryotes.